Die. About 5,000 is dead now because this one has already exposed to water. And we still have smaller ones, so you can see you have destroyed all the buildings.
Welcome back to Chokitable Media for a sad story to a farmer, a poultry farmer in Abuja. He has lamented on the destruction of his farm in Abuja. A poultry farmer, Akomolafe Bankole, who identifies as hashtag Henrich-Bank on X.com, has lamented over demolition of his 150 million poultry farms in Lokogoma, Abuja by officials of the Federal Capital Territory Development Authority in a series of posts on his X account. On Sunday, Bankole shared videos of destruction revealing that over 5,000 birds died and over 50 workers lost their job due to demolition, which he said was carried out without prior notice or warning. Sharing videos on his X, he wrote, "I'm heartbroken and angry. Yesterday, my 150 million investment in poultry farm located in Lokogoma, Abuja, was destroyed by the guys from the Federal Capital Development Authority. No warning signal, no prior notice, just pure destruction, and over 5,000 birds are dead already." According to Bankole, all necessary paper, including the certificate of occupancy, were obtained before establishing the farm, making the demolition a shocking and unjust act. He questioned the government action and asking why he couldn't farm on his private farm. He added, "How can this happen in a country where I followed every legal process? Let it be clear that all papers, including the CFO, were obtained, and yet some individuals in this government felt it was okay to destroy what I have worked for, an investment of a lifetime. This isn't just my loss. Over 50 workers are now thrown out of job and businesses. In this hard time, family will now suffer because of the evil of some individual operating under the guise of FCDA. Tell me why I can farm on my private property. Why? Bankole expressed frustration, questioning why government expects citizens to invest when such incident can happen without consequences. I ask, where does the government expect me to start from? Why should I ever think of investing in Nigeria again when this can happen overnight? This is how people fall into depression. But for God, I don't know how I and my family will even be standing right now. I hope FCT Minister Wikes is seeing the damage done under his administration. I hope Madam First Lady, who has cause to start farming, can see the rubbish going on. I hope no one will accuse me of treason when I carry a placard, because this is treason against me," he added. Put your opinion in the comment section. Let us discuss. Is what they did to this man, is it okay? Should they be called to account? Should they be brought together to face each other? The FCDA, the Federal Capital people, and this farmer. Let them come on here to broadcast themselves. Let a panel of inquiry be seated, and so that we can all watch on the TV. Let them say what they feel, so that we can know who is at fault here. Chokitable Media. See you next time.
Die. About 5,000 is dead now because this one has already exposed to water. And we still have smaller ones, so you can see you have destroyed all the buildings. More than 150 million naira worth of materials and properties. If you have lived the livestock, you see some inside the container, they cannot survive because they are already on top of each other. This is not really nice. It's not really nice. It's not nice at all. There's no human face in this. I'm sure you too, you will not be comfortable if this property belongs to you, no matter the conservation you are trying to protect or what you are trying to protect. It's not nice at all. in this life that people see each other, they meet with each other. And one person is a friend to another. Now you are a friend to my friend. A very close friend to my friend. You can see them. All this chicken will die eventually. I don't know how I'm going to do it. And it's still going to rain today. So what will you do?
So, what will you do is actually the question. As a helpless Nigeria, what will you do? Who will you rely upon? Who are you going to call for help? Who is going to raise your matter at high places? This is a real frustration. Put your comment, like I said, in the comment section and let us discuss. What a pity. This is Chokitable Media.